Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than SUI coin. So if you enjoy these SUI updates, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button and hit that red subscribe button. But now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the market, guys, market is absolutely booming as we did start off Monday. As we are going into Tuesday morning, the continuation of that green really is still staying within the market. But if you're looking at SUI is actually down right now over the course of the last few hours. So you're not seeing SUI reacting in a positive way to this momentum. And again, just a quick reminder, which a lot of people tend to forget, is the fact that SUI has been going absolutely crazy over the course of the last 1 month. So we need to keep that factor in mind. But looking at the price, $2.21, down about 1.7% in USD and about 3.6% in Bitcoin comparative. The market cap still holding above 6 billion, to be exact, 6.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $1.1 billion. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So first and foremost, let's take a look at the Bitcoin Dominance Index. So if you're looking at the Bitcoin Dominance Index, it's pretty much hovering around the 58.10% mark. So not much has changed for that, but we're pretty much still on the verge of breaking towards a new yearly high. So we need to obviously keep that factor in mind. But right now, the main reason as to why you're seeing a substantial increase despite dominance is sitting this high is because of Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin had a beautiful, and I repeat, a beautiful bounce today. We saw Bitcoin making its way up to none other than $66,544, which of course is a big statement for itself. And we actually saw the daily candle close above $66,000, but since then seen a little bit of a minor pullback within the price of Bitcoin, but nonetheless still holding really good in terms of the bigger picture. And if this resistance is able to clear out, would not be surprised if we do start seeing July levels being retested for Bitcoin, which of course can have a beautiful impact on the broader market. But with that said, remember, the elections are coming up, so uncertainty is still quite high, and it would not come as a surprise to me at all if we do see another fake out. If this ends up being another fake out, that will not come as a surprise to myself. But with that said, let's take a look at what's happening with our good old friend SUI. So SUI still continuously holding at this $2.21 mark, holding really good. To be quite frank with you, we did actually end up seeing that retest at that $2.18, which was our previous all-time high. We spoke about this, and we actually did see that retest happening, just a few hours ago. But since then, have seen a little bit of a bounce within its price, because of course that is a key support, and we do expect that specific level to be playing as a significant amount of support, and we have seen the confirmation of that really playing out. But with that said, the price is sitting at $2.21, and if we want to really put this into perspective in terms of an all-time high, we still are about 8% away from an all-time high. People need to realize SUI is still holding really good despite not having a bullish day, as we are seeing the broader market seeing a bullish day. Obviously SUI is not having that type of a bullish day, but we need to keep in mind it's holding really good despite what's happening now after having this big bounce. And if you want to put this into perspective, we saw SUI go up 165% after breaking out of that key resistance. So shout out to that Grayscale Trust. I think that really changed the entire outlook on SUI pretty much around that price point. So anyone that picked up a SUI at that level, I'm sure are smiling right now. But so far so good. In terms of momentum, we always talk about that momentum shift. A lot of people are probably going to be wondering, does this mean that the momentum is over for SUI? Are we going to see downside for SUI? I don't think so. I still think SUI has a lot of steam left for it in itself. If you're just looking at the 24-hour trading volume, that speaks for itself. But remember, some other coins that have not performed while SUI has been pretty much outpacing the broader market are really moving against SUI right now. So we need to keep that factor in mind. So far, so good. I would not be surprised if we start seeing SUI picking up traction, quite fast. But if this support were not to hold, and again, these are some questions that we need to keep in mind. That $2.18 support, if that does not hold, a retest down to $1.98 would not be a surprise at all, and we should be prepared for that, which is an 11% move in case we do see a fake out for the broader market. But let me know down below what you guys think right now. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.